You're watching Blowout TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Nollywood actress Funke Etti has revealed on the widespread issue of actresses who openly call out each other for snatching their partners. Funke, in an interview with Punch, stated that even the men being referred to ought to be accused for not being straightforward about their status and past meetings. She said,
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.